Okay, you select the text spot here, techspot.com, VMware Workstation Pro download free. Okay, once you do it, then you download this. If you are having Windows 10, you download H2. If you are having it Windows 11, you download Workstation Windows 26 H1. So let me download this. I have clicked it now. So it will start downloading here. Okay, it will come here. Okay. Now see. Okay, I am saving it. Now it is downloading. So you see VMware Workstation full 26 H1 253 88281. Okay. So I am downloading that. You just let me know if you are able to download it and share me your screen. Okay. After I have clicked it here, okay, it will open now, or else we will go here. So if you click on this one, it will open that directory. Okay, it will delete. If you click on this, it will delete.
So why it's a workstation? Why it's a workstation?
Why we need workstation? Huh?
Why it's a workstation?
So I have a very interesting question. Okay, why we need to install workstation? So is it? It's not connecting. It's gone. Power is gone. Once this is done, okay, it will come up like this. I will click on run now. Okay.
Not able to. Not able to.
Okay. So internet is not working.
Source of internet.
So it will come like yes. Okay. After that, it will start. Okay. After that, click on next. Okay. So this I have already installed it. That is why it is telling me. Okay. So do you want to remove or repair all that? Okay. You just proceed next, and then you do the installation closure. Finish. Once you do the finish, okay. So you will have here VMware Workstation Pro. So like that you will get the screen or icon. So you allow it, it will come like this. This is your screen for installing the virtual machines all. Okay. So I hope you got it now.